What's up, everyone? This is Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley. Today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2002 Ford F150. This 2002 Ford F150 is the perfect work truck with a strong engine and sound mechanics. It even comes equipped with AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB/aux input. Step into your new Ford F150 and get the work truck that fits your needs with a bench seat and ice-cold AC. Get your supplies and tools where they need to be when they need to be there. Side note, a lot of completed maintenance on this vehicle, a smog check, manifold gasket replaced, intake manifold, controller, new battery, idle control switch, driver's seat reupholstery, and an idler arm for the upper control arm. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2002 Ford F-150.